Today I'll show you how to warp text into any shape you like using Photoshop. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know two different ways to creatively bend and twist your text, but you'll also understand when to use each method for the best results, so your graphics can really stand out. Let's jump right in with the first method, which uses Photoshop's Warp Text tool. If you have a specific word or phrase already typed out in your project, start by making sure that text layer is selected in your Layers panel. Selecting the right layer might sound basic, but it's absolutely vital, otherwise you might end up warping the wrong element, which can be a bit confusing. Once your text layer is highlighted, head up to the top menu and click on Type, then choose Warp Text. This opens a dialog box full of possibilities. Here you'll see a style drop-down menu. This is where the magic begins. Try out options like arc, bulge, or fish. Each style instantly bends and curves your text in a unique way. For example, arc makes your text follow a kind of rainbow, while bulge pushes it outward, which can make it pop for things like posters or banners. Now, right below the style, you'll notice sliders for bend, horizontal distortion, and vertical distortion. These are your fine-tuning controls. Adjusting the bend slider will make your effect more dramatic or subtle. If your letters are starting to look squished or stretched in one direction, tweak the horizontal or vertical sliders to balance things out. It can be fun to play around with these. A little goes a long way. And remember, if you ever feel like you've pushed the distortion too far, just slide it back or hit cancel and start again, no harm done. When you're happy with the result, click OK. The best part about this method is that your text remains fully editable. You can still change the wording, font, or color at any time. Next up is a more versatile approach using the Transform Warp tool, which is perfect if you want complete manual control over how your text bends and twists. First things first, select your text layer. Before you warp, you'll need to prepare the layer. Go to Layer, then Smart Objects, and select Convert to Smart Object. This step is important if you might want to adjust the warp later without losing quality. If you don't care about keeping the text editable, you could also right-click the layer and choose Rasterize Layer instead. Rasterizing bakes your text into pixels, but it offers hands-on flexibility. Now that your layer is ready, go up to Edit, choose Transform, and then Warp. Instantly, a grid overlays your text. This is where you get to play sculptor. You can click and drag any of the grid lines or corner points to manually stretch, curve, or twist your text into whatever shape you imagine. Think of it like pushing and pulling clay. If you're trying to fit your text along a wavy path or inside a specific space, this tool is ideal. If you have Show Transform controls enabled, there's also a little warp icon, a square with curved lines, that lets you jump straight into this mode from the options bar. Don't worry if it takes a few goes to get the exact shape you want, just keep adjusting those points until it feels just right. So those are two solid ways to warp your text in Photoshop, whether you want quick preset styles or total creative control. Try both and see which one fits your project best. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, drop your questions or tips down in the comments, and make sure to subscribe for more step-by-step Photoshop tips. Thanks for watching and happy creating!